Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient color to shape border in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add gradient color to shape border. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. Now I select the oval shape, then draw this shape. Then click the shape and go to the shape format menu. Select the shape outline option and go to the whites and go to more lines. Then we can see here open a window. Now I select the color and go to the more color. Go to the shape fill option and select gradient. Then go to the more gradients. Then apply the gradient color. Then click OK. Then go to the shape outline option, choose no outline. Then copy this shape and paste in front. Then press shift and resize the shape some small. Then select the shape multiple, press shift on our keyboard and go to the shape format menu. Click align, then click center. Then again click align, then click middle. Then click the font shape, then go to the shape fill option and choose the white color. Now we can see we add gradient color to shape border very easily. You can group these two shapes. Select the shape and click group. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.